One of the top enterprise cryptocurrency companies out there is VeChain. And recently, VeChain's price went all the way down to 1 cent. And right now, we could be poised to fall below the 2 cent mark again and see 1 cent, 1 penny for VeChain. Keep in mind this: VeChain at its peak in 2021 was 27 cents. That means if it falls to 1 cent, just to get back to its all time high, you're looking at a 27x. By the way, VeChain is a top 100 crypto. It has massive partnerships already embedded into the project. So again, when we're looking at great opportunities out there, sometimes you don't have to look too far outside the top 100. I know everybody wants the next 100 and 1000x, and that's great. I think we should all be hunting for those low cap gems, but there are a lot of fantastic opportunities inside the top 100 right now in this type of market that can yield some high returns in the future. VeChain, in my opinion, is one of those. We're going to dive into, can this price dial back to 1 cent again? Because when it did recently, that's where I added more to my position. Personally, not financial advice, that's where I'm looking again to add to my position. Now, VeChain, it's among the hardest hit digital assets after Silvergate decided to walk back on providing crypto services. Nearly 200 million worth of cryptos were liquidated last week, making Bitcoin fall below the $22,000 mark. You can read more about all the details with Silvergate. There's articles everywhere on the internet about that, right? But we're kind of moving past that. The market has kind of priced that in, at least here in the short term. It feels that way. So where is VeChain going, and could it dip now below the 2 cent mark? Well, it dipped from a high of about 3 cents to a low of 2 cents in the last 7 trading days. That's a 50% drop there, right? The crypto had doubled in price since the start of January, and it's now retracing due to profit booking and sell-offs in the overall crypto market. There's the look in the last 2 weeks. You could see where VeChain was above over 3 cents, now falling into the low 2 cent range. The overall crypto market remains on the razor's edge due to so many macroeconomic factors right now affecting its growth. And this is happening in the stock market too. It's not just a crypto problem. This is a economy problem, right? Globally, by the way. But SEC Chair Gary Gensler had some statements about crypto recently. He specifically claimed that everything but Bitcoin could be considered a security. Fed Chair Jerome Powell warned Bitcoin could fall to zero if U.S. CBDC is launched. U.S. President Joe Biden calling to double capital gains on crypto tax. Now, here's the thing. Keep in mind, a lot of this is scare tactics. A lot of this is getting us to sell off so they can get in at cheaper prices. This is market manipulation, in my opinion, at its finest. President Biden calls the double capital gain tax from 20 to 40%. The above three developments make a pot shot at cryptos, sending fear in the market. But if you have what it takes, you look at fear as a massive opportunity, because when everybody's freaking out, everybody's going haywire and selling their crypto, all it does is provide unbelievable entry points for the next investor. I'll be watching VeChain very close because it does move in tandem with Bitcoin, and we could see some really cheap prices across the board. VeChain might reach that 1 cent mark. And if it does, I'll be looking to add more to my position, trusting the process here when it comes to cryptocurrency. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video.